Hey guys, we're back again with another video, and today we're giving you a little in-depth knowledge about the benefits of certain kinds of exercise. If you go for a morning run every day before work, you take your dog out for a walk very often, or you just dog around listening to your favorite music, but don't know how this action benefits or hurts your body, well, you better take a listen to this video because we're going to be telling you the good and bad things that happen to your body when you run every day. Let's get on with the video. The pros. Number 1, it builds up your lower body muscles. When you go for a run every day, you strengthen your lower body muscles over time because running fires up these muscles to produce more output with each distance you cover. Your calves, quads, glutes, calf muscles, and tibialis muscles in your lower legs are the muscles that help you achieve the running motion, and these are the muscles that are built up over time with each day you go for a run. Number 2, your back and core become more stable. Your back and core are also involved in your running motion. Your core acts as a middleman and transfers force between the lower and upper extremities and contributes to your trunk and pelvic rotation, while your back adds power to your strides. Running every day improves the working of your lats with the opposite glutes to produce the dynamic opposition of your arms and legs when you're running. The faster you run, the more important this relationship becomes. Number 3, you get improved bone density and joint health. Running is an activity that improves your bone strength and density because of the weight-bearing effect it exerts on your legs. Running and jogging every day can help prevent or delay the effects of osteoarthritis and osteoporosis, since the regular running motion strengthens your bones and muscles around your joints. Contrary to popular belief though, running or jogging can actually help with rheumatoid arthritis, but people who currently have it should consult their doctor before they try it for themselves, and should avoid exerting swollen or painful joints without supervision. Number 4, it improves your balance. While running, you leap and land on one leg at a time, making it like a sort of one-legged sport, and this takes balance. You use your back, core, and leg muscles to stay upright when you run, and your lower leg muscles control your foot strike, which is essential for maintaining balance. Running very often helps your body adapt and get used to this motion, improving your general balance over time on each leg separately. Number 5, your heart gets stronger. Running is a very important cardio workout, and it's that way for a reason, because it greatly improves the strength and efficiency of your cardiovascular system. Running high-intensity runs can also improve the maximum oxygen uptake of your body. You don't need to run for very long to get these benefits. 5 or 10 minutes of running per day can help keep you healthy and promotes longevity. The cons. Number 1, you risk injury. Though your muscles and respiratory system can adapt relatively quickly to your new running routine, it does take much longer for the joints, tendons, and ligaments to adapt to that level of stress. If you keep increasing your mileage every day without doing a proper warm-up, you could risk injury. A good warm-up session is going to help prevent injuries, and you can do some bodyweight cardio exercises or walk briskly for a few minutes to loosen up your muscles and get your blood flowing as it should. Number 2, you risk burnout. Just like any exercise you do every day without a variation or taking a break, running every day can lead to burnout or overtraining. Some signs of overtraining and burnout should also be looked out for, and these are a decreased athletic performance, frequent illness, lack of appetite, exhaustion, and insomnia. If you catch these early on, you should take 1 or 2 days rest per week and shorten your runs or jogs on your running days. Running is a great exercise, but doing it every day could affect your body adversely. The best way to go about it is to take a day's rest between your running days or mix in some days of weight training if you want to build up your muscles. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, leave a like if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more fitness tips. Also, leave a comment in the comment section below and let us know your thoughts.